I will show you some like the alert, right? I did created some alert yesterday, but due to some conditions, the disk space was full, and I am trying to delete this because the conditions will play a major role, and which have been impacted entire Splunk. So that is one like a learning lesson for us. So have you created any dashboards alerts from your end, Jansi? Like not
Yes,
Splunk queries.
yes, Abdul.
Okay, fine, no issues. So I will try to create alerts from my end, but I don't know. Like I have some disk space issues. Whether I will try to resolve today. We'll check whether it will allow me to like create, or else I will show you on your machine.
Okay.
I'm just sharing my screen. So, like right, this is the panel where when while creating there is a search report and alerts. So this is the one where we can select while creating the alerts part.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what I did right yesterday, I have created a alert for my just demo purpose. I put like I was trying to send a email notification, but somehow it didn't work because we need to add some more privileges for that. So right, I deleted them. So there are two alerts which I have been created. So like where I have just put a condition like 0, like even one event also I was trying to like run that Splunk. 1 second. So because of that, my entire memory got corrupted. Like if you see, right, it's totally
And
yeah. Yeah, hi Hemant.
Yeah, hi Abdul. Good morning.
So I just started on the alerts part. So what I was mentioning, right, yesterday I tried to create some alerts from my end. So due to the query, right, this is one of the learning point for us. So whenever we are giving some real-time alerts, right, the condition plays vital role, because I have given some other for each, and I took some real-time events from Splunk server, and I just given condition for even one even for one event also it will trigger. So it triggered a lot, and it eaten my entire the Splunk. If you see, right. I troubleshoot that what actually happened. So when we go with the program files and Splunk, there is a dispatch where again Splunk. So there is a dispatch folder. So yesterday, right? These alerts actually. So I have created some real-time alerts which eat an entire thing. So which made my Splunk to go down. So this also real time. I'm trying to back up this and I am trying to delete, but somehow it is not working. So like the alert part, right? Whenever we want to create alert, we need to go for search report alerts. And first we need to understand what query we can use while creating this alert. That is very much important. And if we are giving, like if our intention is to the condition, right? As I discussed on last class. So while we are creating any alert, 1 second. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Yes. So while we are creating, right, first we need to identify the background of that alert, why we need to create that alert, like it is a report and any condition, and how many times you want that alert to be triggered. And based on that, we can run the Splunk query and we can give particular conditions. What I did right yesterday, I will try to search now. It's not executed. The minimum free disk space is 5000 MB reached. So I am like this is one of the issue I'm facing, and I am trying to delete, but somehow I will fix. So I will show you, right. We need to come here. Let's see whether it will work for me or not, or else I need to create one more account with this for practice purpose. These are the 3 alerts I have created, impacted action. So from when you click on new alert, right, title, we should make sure alert, we need to follow some criteria. You know that severity of any issue, Jansi or Hemant, like we have 3 types of severities, right? You know.
Yes, Abdul. Medium, high, and low.
Low, medium, high.
Like not medium, yeah, that is also fine. But while creating that alert, right, we need to like make sure like the alert title should be it should give some proper details when we trigger. Okay, so how it will be, right? Make sure this is also very much important when someone asks you to create, right? First, you need to put this is just like one of the case. You can customize the based on your requirement as well, like severity, the application name as well, right? Application name and condition, right? More than 5 events and uh, like error type. So right, like this. So whenever you are creating some alert, right, it's a save zero alert, and application is a product details page, and condition, right. We can say, right, unable to add to bag. This is error. So whenever your title also very much important. So this is the title. And for this is save zero alert. Like for save one alert, save zero means critical alert. Whenever you are seeing this alert, right, immediately you need to take some action, and better you can provide some description itself. Like there is a description, right? So so whenever we are create, right, any alert, these are the key things. Other like titles we just ignore, but for alert part, like we have save zero. Save zero is the immediate action, and another one is save one. Save one alerts, and save two alerts, and save three. Save three alerts as well. So save one alert, right? Like save zero means immediate action. Save one alert, right? Like there will be some 2 hours. So this one also, save one alert also you need to create like this one, and you need to give in like a home page search, and like unable to search the item, and occurrences, right? More than 10 or 20 you can take, and have to likewise you need to create, and description, right? We need to create a proper description, the alert type. Okay, anyway alert type is we have given, right? If you don't want to give more details, you can refer this alert will trigger whenever there is an issue with add item to bag. Please refer below knowledge base, or any for fixing the issue. You can provide some conference details or something here, and you can. So this is also will play major role, as I said. So alert, like if I am creating, I will show you one sample alert. I will try to fix my error. If it is working fine, that is fine, or else we'll like a deep dive tomorrow on email notification. So you got it right, like a save zero, product details, unable to add to bag, error. And this is, I'm just giving one example because this also will play major role. So here we need to give the description. Here we need to give some inquiry. I don't know, but it will give me 1 second. This disk space error also pretty much important. Because of that, it is making down, right? This type of issues we come across even real-time production as well. Even now we are facing a similar issue in our production. So where that disk space eating very hot. I might not get, but I will try to take this. So I don't think it will work, but so here, right, stats count by like a product ID or category ID. So whatever we have. So this query we need to give here. So we can select search and reporting.
Abdul, before creating an alert, no need to create a report first?
Yeah, I am like giving this for Splunk query. You need to run that, and you can generate the report. You can you can from dashboard also you can save as a alert. 1 second. So this yesterday I have created. I will show you what condition I have given. So I just took this index, added search query, right? From search query, like report and even from dashboard as well, you can create. So what I did, right? So I took this query and I have given expire 24 hours and the real time I took and number of occurrences, right? Like I have given as a 0. Because of that, every one occurrence it is giving and it is hitting in every 5 minutes, and every one occurrences it is lagging also. So because of that, this got bombarded and I put some mail, but for this we need to do some other configurations. It didn't work for me. It's mail. So this is the way. Yeah, you can generate report and even you can send that report as a save as, right? Like save as alert. So
Abdul, 1 second. But
yeah,
here we can see there is no alert, right? Alert 0 only.
uh, yeah, that's what I need to, like we need to configure the email part. So like triggering, and I disabled this alert. Yesterday I experimented something here, and I put a condition, and it eaten my total disk space. So that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm fixing this for now. You got it right. So I have created yesterday only this alert.
Correct.
And
Whenever alert is created or whenever that search criteria is satisfied, that time alert will be created with that search result.
exactly.
Correct. That
Yeah,
time
alert will
this
trigger. Alert
that
will
time
create,
this
but
alert count need to be increased, right?
I deleted all those things from here. But this to like this count will come based on the like a trigger operation. I didn't put any triggers for here. So I just it was running and it was like updating in a background. So that's why this alert, right? It didn't trigger I need some email ID. I didn't put any actions. So I understood your question, right? 1 second.
Okay, if we create an alert for if it happens, it will send an email to this email address at 7:30 a.m. or so.
Correct.
If it happens one time, then it will show first time. Again, it triggers for the second time. Whenever it will sending an alert, then the number will be increasing.
Yes.
Whenever that search query gives any result, that time alert will be triggered. Correct.
Like whenever that search criteria met, the alert will trigger. But here, 1 second. Okay, okay. I'm just giving thing. So as I mentioned, right, here we need to give title here, and here we need to give Splunk. So this is, there are triggering condition, right, Hemant? This is a very much important. Like this triggering condition, number of hosts or number of sources or like a number of, this is custom, whatever we want we can. So number of results, right? So like if I see any event like which is meeting this criteria, right? So this is the one. Like if I give some Splunk query, somehow my Splunk is not working. No, I will fix that. So whenever you give some search query and if you see some events, right? Number of results, like if it is more than 100, like some of the error, 100 errors are fine. Like if you go more than 100, right? then the alert will trigger. You can put some actions here. The triggering condition, right? We can log an event. So like it will send a event to Splunk receiver and output results to lookup. There is a lookup option where we can do CSV, it will create, and even we can run the script. Yesterday I told, right? Like we can run some script like here, and we can execute. Sometimes we need to run some bash or something, so we can run this script and we can execute, and just send an email. So this is very much important where we need to provide our email ID. Most probably the like we need to configure this email ID. We need to give some roles, like in roles we need to enable some list, one attribute. So whenever you enable that attribute, it's for admin, we can have some default. So we need to give this email ID here and priority, right? Like high or highest or normal, we can put, and the message also, right? The alert condition for like whatever the Splunk alert name, whatever we have given, right? It will take and it will give some message in the body, and like it will send. So this is main important on this triggering actions. So for mail, I tried with my email ID, but somehow we need to do more actions for that. We need to enable SMTP server for that, where we can send that email. So that I am working on it. Once that right, to send or receive any mail from one application to another application, like there will be some protocol, SMTP protocol. So that we need to enable that port, and based on that we need to send a mail. We will discuss more on tomorrow's class, but this is the very high level concept for alerts. So as I said, right, yeah, this is the condition we should make sure to have. If someone share your screen, right, we'll try to create one alert. Jansi or Hemant. Jansi, are you able to share your screen? I will stop this.
Yes. Yes.
Can you take one? I think you need to take all time search, not 24 hours. You open new tab. I think you just shared a window. That's why I'm unable to see any another. You can close other tabs and just.
Are you able to see this screen?
Yeah, that is the only screen we are able to see. Can you open new tab and go for there? You can copy at least this Splunk query.
Or you want me to add this query?
Yeah, this any file right is fine. can you open a new tab, Jansi?
Are you able to see my screen?
Only one screen. I think you need to share entire screen.
Yeah, entire
Could see
screen
only
only.
one tab. You need to open another tab and we can try to configure email.
Okay.
Now I could see another screen.
Are you able to see the screen? Google.com?
Yes, yes.
So you want to
Open, yeah, one another tab.
yeah, I opened this one, new one.
I could see only Google.
This is one. You're seeing this create alert?
Yes, yes. Yeah, can you create one simple alert? We can check later.
This one?
Yeah, you have created it triggered, right?
Yeah.
Make sure to disable immediately. I did the similar thing. Can you open? Yeah, can you edit that? Edit alert. Edit alert. No, don't disable now. But it won't. Are you able to receive any alert with this condition greater than 0 number of events? It is not real time alert, right?
Yeah.
You can put any condition there.
Greater than 1.
Abdul, this alert will schedule at 2 a.m., right? It's not now.
Scroll up, yeah. Just scroll up. It is scheduled alert. You can create real time as well. Yeah. Can you create real time? This will take a real time alert.
And we can make that expire in so that next 1 hour it won't execute, right?
That we can, yeah.
Yeah.
We can expire. We can make expire at least 30 minutes.
Oh,
But anyway, once you have done, right, please disable that.
Okay. Custom condition is required.
Can you run that
You
query? Yeah, can you run? Can you run that? Click on run condition, Jansi.
You want me to run once again?
One second. I'm just... Oh, this is the query, right? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Is it coming for last 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or it is coming all time?
All fine.
Okay. Can you just make the report? Can you save as a report, not real time? Can you go and edit that alert, Jansi? Can you put the description also? Schedule run every click on run every. What I'm trying to say, right?
No,
There is a
no.
below
Abdul was saying
schedule.
below schedule.
Okay.
That is a schedule. So
Every week or cron schedule?
one second. Cran, you know how to
Yeah.
create.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Can you put cran expression there?
Yeah, I put at 10:45.
Can you put 1 minute, right? Now 8:11, right? Can you put for 8:20 that like a cron expression 8:20 a.m.
Based on our time,
Okay, for your
my
time, like just to put like 5 minutes after your time. For us, it's 8:11. Like I
41
think it's
means
totally system time.
46. Yeah, 5 minutes. Now it's 22:41. Our time is.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
The notification part, we need to do some configurations tomorrow. I will tell, but let's see whether this alert will trigger or not. Here,
RT time values are not allowed. Real time.
you
Oh,
you
instead of real times are not allowed. Yeah, alert has been saved.
okay? Can you go triggered alert then? Wait, don't. Okay. One such query I will give you. 1 second, I will. Can you 1 second use real-time data?
Real time data. At least we can wait for 1 more minute. Let's see if we can if we receive an alert or not.
Okay. Like yesterday, I used one of the index. Like it's a Splunk basic index. I'm just checking. No. Can you open like a search tab, Jansi?
Search.
Yeah, Splunk search. No, this. No, you are Splunk only.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No, I am seeing only Google page. Yeah. Can you just remove this? But like, can you just search with index is equal to underscore audit? Index is equal to. Can you click on audit? Click just 5 minutes. Can you click on just 5 minutes? Right side, you can select time. No, this is fine. You selected audit, right?
Yeah.
You no need to give star. You just close that string. Yeah. Give the colon. Just run for 5 minutes, not 24 minutes. No, just write whether you are getting some like events for audit logs. No, right side there is a last 24 hours, right? Where we can
So
select.
you're telling about the time?
Yeah,
It
time.
will be
Yeah.
15 minutes, right? Okay. 5 minutes window. Okay.
You can last check, select last. Okay. Can you run it? Every time it is giving, right? These are the real time events. So make sure to disable immediately. What actions it is giving? Is it taking your email ID? Okay. It is posting in that job. I think the alert started triggering, it seems. These are the audit logs. Can you check whether the alert have been triggered in your mail, like not mailbox? So for mailbox, I will show you tomorrow the settings we need to do. Like,
Yeah,
can
I
you?
didn't get any email.
Yeah, that we need to like set up in a different way to get that alerts. So like any alert triggered in your like just go and check whether triggered alerts, Chancy. Or else can you go to program files Splunk where there should be some events shift file. No, don't click here.
You want me to stop this search result?
No, don't stop. What I am trying to say, right? Can you click on alerts? Like there is a in navbar there is an alerts, right? Alerts, not on top navbar.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you click on that? I triggered, right?
Number of
This is
results is 1. Actions scheduled on 10:40 to
there is some triggered alert tab. You can disable this. You know, right? What we can even we can clone here. You can disable. Just don't disable. Cancel it. Permission also you can edit. Can you click on actions? Yeah. Not here. Actions open in search. You put right. Any other what other actions you have?
Jansi, within that alert window, we have title, action, owner below. Right side, below that, below that.
this one?
No, no. We have title, right?
Yeah.
Above,
Alert type.
just little above. That menu bar kind of thing. Just little above, little above. Title. Yes. Next to that, you can see actions.
Actions. Yeah, that's what.
Right side. Here we
This
can
one.
edit the action. Yes.
Edit, there is the edit button, right?
Delete alert.
Can you clone that alert, Jansi?
So not edit. We have an option like clone in edit.
Yeah.
This is right. Like whenever you want to clone the alert, like somehow, like due to some, like what I can say, right? Upgrade or something, you don't want to change anything, you just want to like update the Splunk query. So you want to disable old alert, or else you want to create this kind of alert in a multiple times, right? You can clone the alert from here, Jansi. You can put the description and you can change the title, and can you click on clone alert? You can just change clone alert. Just put the cloned alert. You can put description there. This is duplicate alert we have created. Yeah, you can edit the alert again. Now you can go and you can edit this alert and you can save alert.
Is it real time or scheduled?
It is up to you, whatever you want. You want that alert to be real time or scheduled. You can like put, but make sure to disable or delete all the alerts, Chansey. Don't
Yeah.
put them. if they are running in a backend, right, it will eat entire Splunk.
Okay.
Then since that result is very huge, because of that it is taking complete space, or
For my case, I put a condition, right? Every one event occurrences, I took audit logs, Hemant. So each
audit
time it
log
will.
audit log will be very huge, right? Size.
That's what. So for real-time purpose, I took audit log and I create an alert and I enabled it. I forgot to disable. I forgot to give the condition to expire. I put as is and I even that was open in my machine. So today morning when I opened that, right, entire my Splunk got eaten. So this is one of the real-time issue. Whenever we are working on this alert, right, we should make sure like the conditions, right, triggering conditions are very much important. So if we put like this is testing purpose, this is fine. Like if we do these kind of things in production, right, immediately that Splunk server will go down and like we need to remove the jobs as well. So we should be more careful while creating the alerts and the other things, right, creating the dashboards and create running the search queries that won't impact anything. But these things, right, like it will log each and every, like whenever it trigger it will log the events. Whenever it triggers it log the events and it will eat the memory, like whatever the uh, storage you have been given, right, like it's a tree Splunk. So 500 MB easily eaten and like it is showing some errors for me. I will fix that, or else I will create one more account. I will try to get it done. Hemant, have you practiced from your end on alerts, this blank
No,
queries
no.
and dashboards?
I need to do.
Yeah, please do that because whenever we put hands on this, right, then only we come across this type of issues, and
Sure,
we
sure.
need to fix and see.